Hello there, RC fans. Racing393. This I'm just going to do a short video rather than doing a video short because well, I just wanted to add a little bit more to it, but I wanted to find out whether you'd want to see a soldering video. There's a gabillion of them on the internet, and I'm not a solderer, but it's from a hobbyist. I'm just wondering whether you want to see what I did to my Grasshopper. Nothing spectacular, but I'll go through it in a second, just briefly, of what I did and the outcome. If you want to see a bit more in depth, I wouldn't say tutorial, but you know, I could a little bit more of a tutorial of doing this. Now, I don't have state-of-the-art soldering station and solder. It's just standard. Some of it's Chinese. But you know, would it interest anyone, me going over how I got the wiring completed on the Grasshopper? There is a before and after, so yeah, let me know. If you don't want to know, then it doesn't matter. It was just, you know, I just thought it might be interesting, that's all. So it's a very short video, so enjoy this sort of the intro, if you like. So here's a very quick picture. If you know your Grasshopper, then you know this is the top of the chassis, and this is a standard how I got the electronics when I bought them. The wires that go from the motor to the electronic speed controller are like just the length they are. But if you know your Grasshopper body shell, it was very, very difficult getting the shell on with the wires like this. So I thought to myself, it's what some people do anyway, I guess. But I thought I would snip the ends off and put some new 4mm bullet connections on so that they're at a different angle, allowing me to put the shell on much easier. So here's one I made earlier, so to speak. I put the bullet connector on and just put the wire at 90 degrees. The bullet connectors that go in, the 4mm bullet connectors, do have like a flat edge and a gap so that you can actually put the wires at that angle, and I felt that that not only helped with the shell, they were also shorter. And here is the finished product. So they're quite neatly arranged, allowing the shell to go on. More importantly, they are a bit shorter, so they don't take up as much room inside the cab either, but the shell now fits snugly on there, and they're quite flexible wiring that they come with the easy run combos of electronic speed controllers and motors. But it's not a bad job. I think it's, you know, it's not. I didn't get what I should have got. Is this kind of the heat shrink goes over them at the end, so it's a little bit more of a right angle, but you know, I've done my best with what I've got, so that's how it ended up. And at the end here, I've just given you a quick example of how it looks inside the cab. I've taken the driver figure out mainly because, well, it was the wiring and the ESC, so I haven't put them back in yet, but that's how it looks. And if you'd like to see how I got to that, I've got another Grasshopper which I can do, and maybe I mean, it's not so much show you how I do it and try to, you know, I'm doing a better job than anybody else. Just gives you some, you know, as a hobbyist at home or in the shed, if you like, how I go about making modifications like that to make things a little bit easier. So if you'd like to see that, let me know, and I'll sort out another video in due time. Thanks for watching this far. I appreciate your time. Bye for now.